Welcome everyone on my brand new channel Just Fragrance, and you're watching me on my YouTube channel Just Fragrance. I will request all of you people kindly like and subscribe and press the bell icon button so you can receive the notification whenever I will upload any type of review or on any time. So I will be doing my level best to review all the perfumes which are very common in the market and which are not also common in the market. So all type of reviews you are going to see on my brand new use channel Just Fragrance. I will request again all of you guys kindly like, subscribe, share with the people who love the fragrance, who love the good smell. So I'm going to review the same product which I review in my other video, but this is going to be in English version. Actually, I was told by so many people to make review in English, that would be better for them to understand. So the people who do not understand my local language, they also will understand what I'm talking about in my videos, in my reviews, in my blogs. So there are so many people who requested me within last 48 hours, or let's say 24 hours, when they watch my video first on YouTube, they ask me why it is not in English. So I'm just trying my level best to make the reviews in English so everyone can understand what I'm talking about and everyone can have knowledge, awareness about the fragrance. Welcome to everyone on my brand new channel Just Fragrance. If you are new here, just like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so you can receive the notification whenever I will upload any video. So today I'm going to review another product which is going to be very exclusive for the guys who really like the perfume, the one which is from the Tom Ford. So the perfume we have with us today, it is Tom Ford Solid Black. So you can see here in the video, yeah. So let me tell you something about this fragrance. Since it is released in 2016, it's going to be one of the little old, but yet it is one of the best fragrance from the Tom Ford. I'll tell you something more about this. The perfume stays as a seductive and addictive fragrance in the market. What is the best thing about this perfume? This is unisex product, means the men's and women's are going to use the same item with the very hard notes. I can tell you the notes of this perfume are going to be so amazing. The performance of this fragrance is just super amazing. Why I'm saying super amazing? The notes are very crispy, crunchy and very hard notes. A very hard note, especially in the beginning and in the end. So the middle note will be like little dim, or you can say it will be blend with your skin. You're gonna feel it in your skin even if you don't use many sprays of it. So the using sprays for this perfume will be like say 4 to 3 perfumes ahead on your side and end. Then you're gonna like this perfume very well. So the magic of this perfume, I'm gonna tell you what makes this perfume very special. What really makes this perfume very special? The notes. If we talk about the notes, they are just super amazing, very refreshing, very strong and very nice fragrance. You can feel it in first note, bergamot. Bergamot is one of the strongest component when it's come to perfume. On the other component, cardamom. What you are going to feel it very sweet smell in your clothes and around you. It's a cardamom. That all comes in first note. So there are many ingredients. We can talk about pink pepper. You're gonna feel it, pink pepper. Very strongly, very crispy. So I'll tell you something else about this perfume. The packaging. Man, you're gonna love the packaging. You're gonna love the entire packaging of this perfume. It's not brilliant white. It is not a normal white. It is not a yellowish. It just have its own color, which is like a very milky white, which is also very attractive. And one of the best part of this product, it is still stand as an best performer perfumes in the market. The middle note of this perfume also are very amazing. It contains jasmine. You gonna know it very well. It contains jasmine plus vanilla. The vanilla and jasmine, when they are combined, when they are together, they just gonna reveal a magic around your personality. So I hope all the women who love to doing party, who love to go in a professional meetings, who are very used to with the other fragrance, once they try this, they're gonna love this product. They're gonna love this product. Let me tell you about the base note. The base note also very strong notes. When it comes to base note, as I said earlier, the first note and the last note are very super strong. Why I'm saying super strong? The middle note is bit flowery, bit very little sweety. It's not that kind of spicy. But when it comes to the last note, you're gonna feel it amber. You're gonna feel it amber very strongly. It is just going to blow your mind. It's just going to blow your mind. Then on the other hand, you have tonka bean and coconut milk. You will feel it, coconut milk. And when you apply this on your skin, you're not going to feel this as a lotion or as a normal body soap. It is amazing. We'll talk about how long it will last when you wear it. How long this gonna last when you wear it. So let me tell you something. The first note which I mentioned earlier contains pistachio, bergamot. It is a very strong note. It is going to stay on your skin for more than 3 hours. The first note, more than 3 hours. The first note, more than 3 hours, and it contains a very strong. It will create a bubble around you. Anyone who's 4 to 5 feet around you, they're gonna smell you very well. They're gonna smell you very well. They're gonna love it. On the other hand, now we will talk about middle note. So the middle notes are also not that strong, but also very connected, very impressive, very, you can say it like, in the middle note, I'm gonna tell you, you're gonna feel it. Middle note, you're gonna feel it full of middle note, you're gonna feel it full of vanilla and jasmine. It will be just around you. Everyone is gonna love this. Whenever you will wear this smell, people are just going to smell you. They may going to ask you which perfume you are using. So one of the very top-notch product from the Tom Ford, and the name of this is Soleil Blanc. This is one of my favorite perfume. I started using this from 2016. Once you use this, you're gonna love this item. On the other hand, we will talk about the last note. A very important note, a very important, and why it is important, and why it is so valuable. The last note, I'm going to tell you about the last note. The last note contains coconut milk. Same exact what we have color on the bottle, coconut milk. Then we're going to have amber, a very strong note of amber you're going to find in this. Amber is just going to blow your mind. Amber is just going to blow your head. Amber is just going to blow your nose. It's one of the very strong perfume when it comes to amber. Tonka bean, benzonian. Tonka bean and benzonian, the components are little lower, but still you're gonna feel it. Tonka bean and benzonian, the components are little lower, but you're still gonna feel it. So overall lasting for this perfume, whenever you will apply on your body, is going to stay on your body for more than 7 hours. If you don't wear it in a warm weather, they are not going to perfume as you expected. But if you use it in a normal mid-season, if you're going on beach, if you're going somewhere which is little dry, you're gonna feel this perfume. It will be blend with your skin. It will just blend with your skin, and you're not gonna miss the smell of this even after 5 hours, after 6 hours, after 7 hours. It will start reducing. So whoever is watching this vlog, I will suggest you, if you are really someone who like to have perfume, a kind of perfume which will make good impression to the people in the party, in the events, this is what you're going to have it. This is what you're going to have it, and this is what you should have it with you. So one of the very nice product from Tom Ford, You're gonna love this product. It is just going to make you smell amazing. So I will suggest all of the viewers who are watching this vlog now, try this out. The price in the market rate is not more than $300. You can have 100 ml unit. In perfume version you can still try the EDT version as well, but perfume version is going to have very strong notes. So I will suggest whenever you buy perfume version. It stays last, it stays more, it works very faster, it puts all its fragrance very faster. All the notes are going to be, you can feel the notes very strongly on your skin. So this is where I'm ending up my review about Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, and I will request all of you, if you are watching me for the first time on this YouTube channel, my brand new YouTube channel by the name Just Fragrance, I will request all of you guys kindly like, subscribe and press the bell icon, so you will get the notification whenever I will upload any video or any review. I will be doing review for all kind of perfumes which are very famous in the market, which are very well known in the market, which are not common in the market. So everything you're gonna watch here. Stay tuned, watch more. See you next time. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new channel Just Fragrance. I will request all of you guys kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button so whenever I will upload any video, any review, you will get the notification. So make sure you subscribe my channel. I'll try my level best to do review on all the type of perfumes which are common in the market, which are not common in the market. So I'll try my level best to provide you best information about the perfume, about the fragrances, about everything which is most important for the fragrances. So see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.